You gather around the table, a warm smile on your face as you see your party. It's been over a year since last you all met. Though the looks have changed, some new laugh lines have appeared. They are your friends. And it feels so good to be getting on the road and to adventure with them once more. Hi there, I am Dr. Megan Connell, and this is Psychology at the Table, Season 3. Things are changing. You'll notice I'm at a different set. It's because I am between practices right now. I'm getting ready to open my own practice and building a new set, but I wanted to bring you a new season of Psychology at the Table. Since last we all met, I have written a book about using tabletop role playing games in therapy. It's available right now for pre order through Norton Publishing, so please go and check it out. And so while writing that book, I didn't really have a lot of space to GM or make videos. But now that the book is done, the editing is done, and it is in and working on getting published, I'm ready to be back. Through writing the book, I found a lot of things that I think could be helpful for you all and some new tools to be using. And so that's my hope for season 3 is that we're going to be focusing on revisiting some of our previous topics to add new research to it, new best practices, and talking about some things that it might be applicable to our game masters. The focus of Psychology at the Table has largely been on how game masters can help their players. But I also want to take some time this season to talk about how game masters can help themselves and how to understand how to step back when needed and ask for help. So, a few reminders about what this series is and what this series is not. Psychology at the Table is not about how to become a therapist or how to use tabletop role playing games as therapy. While playing tabletop role playing games can feel therapeutic, it's only a form of therapy if it's being done with informed consent by a trained mental health professional. Do not try to be the therapist for your friends. That is going to go very badly for you. The goal of this channel is to give players and their GMs tools on how to help themselves and their friends who are struggling at their gaming table. This is to demystify some of the ideas that we have around mental health and to help you understand how you can best support and help the people that you care about. During this season, we're going to be revisiting how to run session 0, managing player anxiety, how to create and use safety tools, addressing anxiety as a GM, negotiations during gameplay, and how to use your strengths and some different tools that you as a GM might use while playing. As the season goes along, other topics might arise as well. If, as always, if you have suggestions, please leave them below or send me a tweet and just let us know. This is going to be the one time that I am going to ask you all to like and subscribe. I really don't like when videos ask for that at the end of each video. So, this one time I am going to ask if you like what you see or you're interested in this series and want to be notified of when new videos go up, please give us a like and a subscribe. It really does help grow the channel. Anyway, I will see you all soon as we return for Psychology at the Table Season 3.